Welcome back, cabrones, to another episode. And welcome back to another video, guys. We have another episode here for the G35 because yesterday, something very special. I think it's one of the very last pieces that we got here for the G35. And I'm actually super excited for this piece. Today, we are going to be installing a one-piece aluminum drive shaft on the G35. If you guys have a 350Z, you already have a carbon fiber drive shaft. Y'all don't even have to worry about that. But us G35 owners, man, we got a two-piece drive shaft. So by having a two-piece, it makes it harder to transfer power to the wheel. So we're gonna eliminate that by getting that one piece. So one piece is better than two piece in this case. If you want wheels, three piece is better, but a drive shaft, one piece is better, man. And also it's aluminum, so it's lighter than our drive shaft. But it's not just any weight we're reducing, it's rotational weight that we're reducing, which means you're gonna feel it a lot more than your traditional weight loss. If you get a lighter hood, if you get a lighter bumper, things that do not rotate, you're not gonna feel it as much. But if you reduce rotational weight, such as your wheels that rotate, such as your rotors, such as that drive shaft, you're gonna feel that difference a lot more, which means more. It doesn't necessarily mean more power, but you unlock more power, you feel more power. So I'm actually really excited to install this piece today. The best way I can explain it, if you're lifting a 30-pound dumbbell like that, you can lift it up at a certain amount of speed. If I give you a 5-pound dumbbell, you're gonna go freaking crazy, right? It's not that you got stronger, it's not, you still have the same amount of power, it's just lighter and you could freaking pump it up faster, right? Now I have already put the car here in the center ready to install the piece, but I know you guys wanted to see the cold start because it was actually on the left side over there and I moved it to the center, but I know you guys wanna see that cold start. It's super loud, so cover your ears. This is your warning. Here we go. So here in my room is where I keep all my goodies. So here's the drive shaft. I want to give you guys a little bit of information on this drive shaft just in case any of you guys are interested. So this right here is the Inland Empire Driveline drive shaft, something like that. I'm gonna leave a picture right here. I'm also gonna leave the link down in the description down below. I was able to get this from CZP. I was able to get that for $600. They were having a sale for Labor Day and it was like $30 off, which is just shipping. So it was free shipping and the item itself cost $599. I am aware that Z1 sells also a drive shaft. That one is like $680 or $690, something like that, which is about $100 more expensive. This one comes with foam inside to prevent any excessive noise, and it's cheaper. And to be honest with you guys, that's probably the only reason I got it, because it's $100 cheaper. Why pay $100 more when you can get it $100 cheaper, right? And it's Concept Z Performance. I mean, it's not like you're getting it from some sketchy site, you know? This took about 2 weeks to get here. They do it build by order. So it came to my house literally exactly in 2 weeks. I'm talking about ordering, shipping, and delivered to my house in 2 weeks exactly to the day. So without further ado, let us remove the drive shaft, and I'm interested and curious to see how much lighter it is than our current drive shaft. All right, guys, we're gonna put a pause to this installation. For the Lord of God, I could not remove those drive shaft bolts. May God forgive me, but I just couldn't, man. They're on there freaking butt tight. So I'm actually gonna go over to my mechanic tomorrow and have him. He's got an impact gun. I need to invest in an impact gun, but he's got one, and hopefully he can help me remove those bolts, and then I'll go ahead and finish the install there. But we're on the road. We're gonna drive out to my mechanic's house so we can go ahead and install the drive shaft. It's 94 degrees. The weather conditions are not on our favor today. Regardless, we should still be able to feel the difference. I'm gonna do a third gear pull just so I can feel the difference. Okay. You loosened it? Mm-hmm. Really? Yeah. That one too? Mm-hmm. No way. I need to start working out then. Mm-hmm. Damn. Alright guys, we're finally able to take it out. That's what it looks like. Double jointed. The other one is Definitely a lot lighter. But you see this one? I could definitely carry a lot better. I could even vlog for you guys. This one's not as heavy as the other one. Official reading on this. Oh damn. 31. How much is that? Official reading. ¿Cuánto? 17.4? Okay. Not gonna lie though, taking off that one was kind of difficult. Hopefully this is a lot easier. We got a new whip. Damn. This is the car you said you were gonna beat me in? Damn.
All dusty.
Sheesh. Alright, now we're pretty much just putting the bolts on. I smashed my finger. The car is way less jerky. Before when I used to slam it and then I let off the gas, it'll like freaking engine brake like super hard. But right now it's like smooth, like it just does it. I'm not gonna do it. Let's do it full. RPMs definitely do climb faster. That is nothing made up right there. That is freaking nice. Downshifts. You see, perfect, bro. Downshifts are smooth. It's almost like rev matching. Downshift to third and disappear. Drop a gear and disappear. Super smooth. Alright guys, it is hot out there. It was 99 degrees. Ooh, I know Arizona people, you guys are a damn oven. I know you guys are like 110, Las Vegas 115, Death Valley 120, y'all insane. But 99 here in Sacramento is still hot regardless. And just a little recap, I know it's kind of wild inside the car, everything's loud, but now we're in peace, we're in silence. Let's recollect our thoughts. What did I think about the drive shaft? So drive shaft, CZP Performance, $600, reduces rotational mass. Right off the bat, you can feel it be lighter. You can feel the lightness right away. The gas feels different. It feels like, I wouldn't say lighter. I know I said it feels like eco mode, but it's not that it's eco mode. It just feels smoother than how it was before. It feels like everything corresponds to everything, like everything connects. The car jerks less. Before, they used to have massive engine brake. Now the engine brake is a lot smoother, a lot less. It feels smooth, the shifts are nice, and when we step on it, the RPMs, they rose faster. I'm pretty sure in the cold weather, it's gonna be a lot better, just because the engine works a lot better with cold weather. You guys know that. But I'm really excited. If there's any type of rotational mass that you guys want to reduce, I would do light wheels, light rotors, and a drive shaft, at least for the G35s. I know with 350Zs they already have lighter drive shafts. I know you guys have different stuff. With that being said, I'm really happy with the install. I can't wait for the cold weather, and hopefully you guys enjoy this installation, and don't hesitate to get it. It's definitely a one awesome piece if you're looking for speed. If you're just looking for show and stuff like that, don't even bother getting it. It won't be worth it. But I mean, if you're looking for speed, getting that unlock horsepower, I mean, definitely 100% worth it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed or learned something new. I'll catch you guys next episode. Stay safe, be distinct. Love you guys.